Okay guys, Nothing is rolling out a new update, I mean the April update for Nothing 4a. And after this update, they have kind of messed up with the camera segment. And I was testing this device, so we do have some photos before and after, which I'll show you guys. And all those photos were clicked within a difference of around 10 minutes. So here you can see I have my Nothing 4a, and if I show you the update size, I mean the update which I received on this device. So this was the update which is based on NothingOS 4.1. And if you take a look at this update size, it's 156 MB. Talking about the changes, as per them, they have done some enhancement related to camera, but I personally did not feel much of improvements. And after that, some general improvement and bug fixes. So if you guys haven't received the OTA update, you guys can check in the about section, because most of the time on Nothing smartphones we don't get to see notification for updates. So go to the about section and tap on check for update. You should receive an OTA update of NothingOS 4.1. This latest update comes with the security patch of 1st April 2026. But before talking about the changes guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So the first change under camera enhancement, they say enhance auto exposure stability for recording via front camera. So on the screen you can take a look at the recording before and after. Left one is the before update and the right one is after update. In the video recording using the front camera, this update brings noticeable improvements in the exposure and overall look, making videos appear brighter, more vibrant and more social media ready. Face exposure is better handled and the HDR performance is more consistent, helping balance the subject and the background more efficiently. However, this comes with a trade-off. There's a slight warm/reddish tint in the colors and the processing feels a bit more aggressive, making output less natural compared to before. Dynamic range has improved but still isn't perfect, as highlights can occasionally clip. Sharpness and stabilization remains mostly unchanged. After that, if you talk about the next change, which is layered to rear camera autofocus performance for better capture. Here also, I personally did not notice any kind of difference. You take autofocus in both photos and videos, the phone still struggles with focusing. It works perfectly only when the subject is exactly in the center. If you slightly move the subject up or down, it starts struggling again. And this was the same issue even before the update. We noticed slight color shifting also while focusing, which affects consistency. Additionally, just like photos, videos also have a warm, slightly reddish tone. Then the next change is layered to portrait shots, in which they say they have optimized HDR brightness consistency for rear camera portrait shots. Here are the photos you guys can take a look at. We took photos in 1x, 2x and 3.5x. After the update, the images are brighter, warmer and have better edge detection, especially noticeable in 2x. But in 3x, where subject separation and exposure looks improved, there is also a slight reddish tone in the skin tone, which makes photos pop more but slightly reduce color accuracy. However, this comes at the cost of reducing facial details and added skin smoothing, which becomes more noticeable at higher zoom level like 3.5x, where the older version preserved more texture and realism. HDR processing has also changed. The update now prioritizes brighter face but often blows out highlights like sky, reducing overall dynamic range compared to before. And I also noticed in one of the picture there's an issue with the edge detection. After that, they say they have refined color rendering for a more natural and vivid experience. And here are the photos which we clicked. Again, now the update clearly shifts the Nothing 4a towards a more vibrant and punchy look rather than truly natural one. Colors are boosted, especially greens and reds, making image more lively, but there's also a slight reddish warm tint that reduces color accuracy. Exposure is improved, so the photos appear brighter and more appealing instantly, but HDR is slightly weaker, with highlights like sky sometimes getting blown out. Detail level remains mostly similar, with a slight cleaner but more processed look after the update. So overall, the update did not bring much of improvement in the camera. Now photos and videos don't look natural. You guys let me know, after seeing the photos, did you notice any improvements, or you feel Nothing have again screwed up the camera of their new device, which is Nothing 4a. After that, under general improvements and bug fixes, they say notifications that are frequently interacted with may be suggested to be set as essential notification. So yes guys, that thing I have seen on my Nothing 4a Pro, because I am using this device as my primary phone, and in the notification panel, and if you have interacted with any conversation, you'll see a pop-up asking you to set that particular notification as an essential notification. So that pop-up will appear directly here in the notification panel. I don't have a screenshot of that, but I've seen on my Nothing 4a Pro. Then they have refined the spacing of status bar icons for more consistent and coordinated layout. Here I personally did not notice any change, and I also forgot to take the screenshot before updating the device. If you guys are aware, let me know what's exactly changed here in the notification bar. Then optimize the haptic feedback in the recorder apps for a more tactile experience. So here you'll slightly see improved haptics in the recorder application whenever you scroll these options like voice focus, normal and environment. It's slightly sharper and a little bit stronger now. Then they have fixed some issues for a smoother and more stable experience. And I would say guys, even within NothingOS 4.1, the device, even Nothing 4 4a struggles sometimes. I've seen a lot of jitters while using the device. And the same thing I've also noticed on my Nothing 4a Pro. I don't know how many years Nothing will take to optimize their OS for a more smoother experience. So guys, this was all about the latest update of NothingOS 4.1 for Nothing 4a. If you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.